You are 20 years old and you have $5 you don't remember spending. It's not a decision. It's not even really a moment. It's a coffee you skip on the way to a class you're half awake for. A delivery fee you avoid because walking 10 minutes feels fine. Maybe later, you say to yourself in a drive-through line while your friends order without thinking twice. Nobody sees it. Nobody claps. You open an app. You move $5 into a fund with a name you can barely pronounce, and you go back to your day like nothing happened, because nothing did happen. That's the whole point of this. Nothing happens, over and over again. Your roommate spends $40 on Friday night and posts about it. You spend nothing and post nothing. There is no story here, not yet. If someone asked you what you were building toward, you wouldn't have an answer. At 22, it's still $5. You've automated it now. It happens before you're even awake, pulled quietly out of an account you barely check. Your friends call you cheap, half joking, half not. You just let the number sit there, doing nothing interesting at all, while your life around it looks completely unremarkable. Then the market drops, 20%. Gone, in a headline that scares you more than it probably should. Your instinct is to stop, to pull it out, to protect the little you have before it disappears entirely. You almost do. Your thumb is over the button, hovering. You don't press it. Meanwhile, there's someone else. Same age, same paycheck, different $5. He spent his on lunch out, on drinks with the group, on being the fun one. He's also, several years from now, going to open a banking app late one night and feel something close to panic. Right now, he's just having a better Friday than you, and it's not close. By 28, the number isn't nothing anymore. It's the size of a decent used car, sitting quietly, still growing while you sleep. You bought a car anyway, around this time, in cash. A job loss, the kind that used to mean panic. A phone call to family, selling something you didn't want to sell. Instead, it means 4 months of breathing room while you find the next thing. Unhurried, almost calm. Nobody at your old job knows this about you. You don't tell them. Your friend, the fun one, is starting over. A late-night conversation about catching up, a calculator open on a phone screen, a number that makes his stomach drop. He's not behind because he's foolish. He's behind because nobody ever told him $5 was a decision at all. You are not rich. You want to be clear about that, even now. You still check prices before you buy things. You still skip things out of habit more than necessity. But there is a number now that your 20-year-old self would not recognize. You think about that first $5 sometimes, usually at strange moments, how boring it was, how invisible, how it never once felt like it was going somewhere. It was going somewhere the whole time. MMG, $45 a day. Nobody was watching. That was always the point.